Imagine robots not just moving boxes, but thinking, adapting, and learning as they work. At GXO Logistics, bipedal robots move merchandise with incredible precision. At BMW, Figure 02 robots insert sheet metal parts 400% faster than humans. This isn't science fiction. This is physical AI. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. You'll want to stay updated on this. Physical AI is revolutionizing the real world. Unlike traditional automation, these robots perceive, reason, and adapt in real time. From smart buildings to autonomous vehicles and agricultural machines, AI is moving beyond the screen into reality. The breakthrough comes from robotics foundation models and world foundation models, or RFMs and WFMs. These AI brains train robots in virtual worlds, creating millions of scenarios safely and quickly. NVIDIA's Cosmos, Wabi World, and Google's Genie 3 are examples of platforms teaching robots to act intelligently without risking the real world. Investment is booming. Physical AI startups raised over $7.5 billion in 2024, and 2025 has already broken records. Companies like Amazon are deploying fleets of AI-powered robots, saving billions and reshaping operations. Humanoid robots aren't perfect yet. They still struggle with complex tasks. But collaborative robots and robotic arms are already transforming warehouses and factories. Experts predict AI will create 170 million jobs by 2030, showing that this technology augments human labor rather than replacing it. The future is here. Physical AI is changing how we work, move, and live. The companies that thrive will master intelligent systems that adapt, learn, and enhance human capabilities. Don't just watch, take action. Explore how AI can transform your business today, and click the related video in the corner to see what's next in the world of smart machines.